What's up, y'all? Welcome to my channel. It's your girl Sensational Locks, and I am here with a very quick video. Like, this is gonna be super quick, in and out. I just wanted to bring y'all something. Let's get into it. I was just playing in my hair like I normally do. As you can see, I have not maintained my roots in quite some time, and I do not plan to. I think I'm going to continue my semi-freeform journey probably indefinitely, but I'm going to make another video to talk about that. What I am here to talk about today is about combining locks. So if you've been following me, you know I've had my locks for almost 5 years. It'll be 5 years September 2020. And when I started, there were a few locks that were, I don't have perfect parting. So a few of my locks were different sizes, and some of them were like too small for me, so I combined them together. And one of those locks is this one. In particular, you can see that it's thicker than the ones around it, but not drastically so. But I combined that lock at the bottom, and it's interesting because you can still see the pattern. You can see the 2-strand twist pattern at the very end of that lock, and then right here is where I started interlocking. But as I was looking at it, I was looking at the tip, and I was like, hey, this has been at least 3 years. This has been twisted together. It's not locked. Look, I can unravel it, and then it unravels up to where my where I interlocked it. But y'all know how I get down. I seamlessly combine locks. I have a technique for it, so why not just close up this little two-headed dragon? So I'm about to do that real quick. If you've seen my initial video on how I combine somebody else's locks, I'm gonna do the exact same thing with my locks. So I need to create some frizz. Now I'm gonna do that with the crochet. Out to distress. It's a little different doing it on your own head, but y'all get the gist. See the frizz forming? Yeah, like that. And then just go in. It's already getting there. Just gotta pull in that extra frizz. Create that cylindrical look we love. Which I'm not really too tripping on because I interlock. Or I used to. We about to let that go. But I'm just about to finish it. Even y'all can see this was like, what? An inch and a half of hair. I've been doing this for like 2 minutes. Can you imagine? A whole head? The whole length of this lock if I had to do it? Ain't no way. I probably wouldn't. Not for my own head. I'm just taking y'all along for the ride. This is not a tutorial. I don't need anybody in the comments saying, oh, I can't see what's going on underneath your finger. I don't know how you crochet. It's not a crochet tutorial. I was just basically coming on here to say that people 2-strand twist their hair. People braid their hair together. People rubber band their hair together. But as you can see, I had twisted 2 locks together for at least 3 years. And as soon as I put my finger through them, as soon as I put a little bit of stress on them and tried to pull them apart, they came right apart. So if you are looking to truly combine your locks, if you don't want them just stuck together, then this is the best method. Because essentially what you're doing is creating a whole brand new lock. think we almost where I want it to be, y'all. Perfect. Yeah. So, if you want your locks combined, if you want it seamless, if you don't want them to come apart, that's not coming apart. Find it for me. No stress to be had, to be put on, to pull apart. We in there. What was 2 is now 1. And that's it, y'all. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure that you give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you leave me a comment so we can talk about it, you know what I mean? And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video.